Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into the methodology laid out by the data specialists at AssignmentOnClick, and we're going to show you exactly how to transform messy, raw data sets into clean, actionable insights using KNIME. Look, if you've ever stared at a spreadsheet full of unstructured numbers and text, just wondering how on earth to make sense of it all, you are in exactly the right place. So let's kick things off by asking a simple question about a universal pain point for anyone in data analysis. What is hiding inside your raw data? Well, usually it's a ton of incredible potential that's completely buried under a mountain of formatting issues and missing values. When we look at raw sales data, basic products, quantities, and unit prices, it becomes pretty obvious that without a calculated total revenue column, our analysis is basically stuck at the starting line. We simply can't make informed business decisions with isolated fields. Here is our roadmap to workflow mastery. We're going to cover the messy data problem, mastering KNIME math operations, shaping text with strings, building smart derived columns, looking at a practical application, and finally, best practices and pitfalls. Let's jump right into section 1, the messy data problem, or as I like to call it, unstructured data chaos. We all know raw data sets are inherently chaotic. You're dealing with structural inconsistencies, glaring missing values, and poorly formatted text. Without precise column operations to fix these anomalies, your reporting accuracy suffers big time, and your analysis turns into a time-consuming, error-prone nightmare. Luckily, KNIME gives us an arsenal to fight back. Let's move into section 2, mastering KNIME math operations for automated calculations. Meet your new best friend, the math formula node. This is a dedicated tool used to execute arithmetic calculations right across your numerical data. Instead of manually dragging formulas down an endless spreadsheet, this node acts as your automated engine for generating critical, scalable business metrics like revenue and profit. And this perfectly illustrates the immediate, scalable power of the node. You just feed it your raw quantities and prices, like an input of 10 for quantity and 20 for price, and the node handles the math logic globally, outputting a revenue of 200 for every single row automatically. It's a total game changer. But what if your problem isn't math, but unstructured text? That brings us to section 3, shaping text with strings. Enter the string manipulation node. This thing comes packed with incredibly powerful built-in functions to clean, combine, extract, or format textual information. Think of it as a programmatic digital editor. It allows you to cleanly concatenate names or isolate email domains across millions of rows without breaking a sweat. Notice how a super simple strip expression acts like a digital broom. It completely removes unwanted leading and trailing spaces from an input like John Smith. This standardizes your text and gets everything perfectly prepped for accurate downstream reporting. Moving right along to section 4, building smart derived columns with logic rules. Let's see how conditional formatting levels up our analytics. The rule engine node is where your workflow gets truly intelligent. It evaluates predefined conditional logic to create entirely new derived columns. By establishing your own custom rules, you're essentially baking specific business logic directly into the dataset itself. So by applying simple true or false conditions, KNIME automatically categorizes your data. Say you set a rule stating that revenue over $1,000 yields a premium customer label. Boom, the rule engine acts as a dynamic funnel, instantly segmenting your audience for highly targeted analysis. All right, let's put these individual tools together into a cohesive pipeline in section 5, the practical application. Here is a solid, battle-tested 6-step framework. You start by importing and inspecting the data. Next, apply your math formula to calculate revenue metrics, followed by the string node to standardize text. Then, let the rule engine create your conditional categories. Finally, and this is crucial, you validate your results before saving the workflow, which ensures complete transparency from start to finish. By utilizing that rule engine step, we can seamlessly generate powerful visualizations like a clean breakdown of our customer segments. Because we cleaned and categorized the data first, turning it into actionable business intelligence takes almost zero time. And thanks to our earlier math formula operations, compiling accurate revenue comparisons across product lines, laptops, monitors, and keyboards, becomes entirely effortless. We've taken uncalculated raw noise and transformed it into clear executive-level insights. Finally, we hit section 6, best practices and how to avoid common pitfalls. Even with powerful nodes, you need strict guidelines. To keep your workflow robust, you absolutely have to use highly descriptive column names. And whatever you do, actively manage missing values. An unhandled null can silently break complex formulas downstream. These foundational rules ensure small data quirks don't compound into massive reporting failures. The core methodology we're reviewing today highlights one golden rule above all others. Keep your original data intact. Create new appended columns instead of overwriting the old ones. This preserves the historical state of your data, making auditing and troubleshooting an absolute breeze. Mastering a visual workflow tool like KNIME takes deliberate practice. The framework we've analyzed today from AssignmentOnClick is designed to push your data preparation techniques to the next level, and it really serves as a blueprint for ensuring your analytical projects actually scale. Because let's face it, as datasets continue to grow in volume and complexity, manual data prep is no longer an option. Scalable automation is non-negotiable. So how will you use KNIME column operations to conquer your next chaotic dataset? It's time to stop wrangling spreadsheets and start engineering true data.